I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully.
Hi, and thank you for tuning in. I wanted to share a new line of Funko Pops that I'm going to start collecting. But before I do that, I was going to share with you something that's not Funko Pop, but kind of related. So I wanted to start collecting the Funko ad icons when it comes to their breakfast cereals. And last year I was able to get these two items, which are General Pop-aganda from Pop Life, and they're kind of funny. Instead of Lucky Charms, we have Yucky Children Charmer. Very interesting. I do not have the Funko Pop of Lucky Charms, and I would love to have it, but every time that I see it coming up for sale on eBay or whatever, it's too expensive. And another one is Sugar Diabetes Bear. Very cute. So each little box of cereal comes with a little vinyl plastic rendition of the icon. So here we have ad icons for Honey Smack cereal. And Funko has redone Captain Crunch, which they had done in the past, where he's holding the bowl of cereal. And in this one, he has his hand behind his back. So I have ordered one online, and hopefully this will be a good one. I'll unbox it to see. The interesting thing for me is that this says that the country of origin for the Funko Pops is Vietnam, which I didn't know. So I guess they are made in Vietnam and China. So let's open this up and see how it looks. It certainly is taped well. Okay. So this is a Target exclusive for Sugar Bear. So it looks like the box is in really good condition. It says everything on it. Pop ad icons, only at Target. So this doesn't look like it's a counterfeit or anything. So now it gives me 3 ad icons to start this new line of collecting with. And it's a nice thing to go with my Sugar Diabetes Bear. And, you know, sometimes we have to stop and ask ourselves, why do we collect these things? What's the nostalgia of them? And I can tell you for me that, you know, for these, it is the nostalgia of childhood cereals and all. And I loved Sugar Bear. I loved Captain Crunch. Honey Smacks was always a good one. But my favorite was Lucky Charms. So one of these days, hopefully I will get the Lucky Charms one. That's what I'm hoping. Another favorite was Snap, Crackle, and Pop. And I do see that online, and it's usually a little more reasonably priced. So, you know, hopefully I'll get that 3-pack in the future. But I wanted to share this with you all, and I hope you have a good time collecting, and thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe below. Bye-bye.